What is going on, man? It's your boy Tre.Trades back again with another live trading for you guys. Today is going to be March 6th. It is Friday, last trading day of the week before we go into the weekend, and also that I would need to lock in a payout. So we're gonna see what we can do. Currently, this account is sitting up around 1,500 on the week, so we just need one winning day. Then I will have my headphones in today, just because I noticed that whenever I don't have my headphones in, um, it kind of the mic will do an audio drop because it's too many people talking at one time. So that's why the headphones are in today. You'll hear me talking. Here now. This
Order filled.
I'm tapped along, so NQ. Go to no, just because it boomerang. I'm just gonna go with the boomerang today, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Go break even now. Locked in a win.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna take that. That's a winning day secure for me. So not even gonna play with it and try to take another trade. Your winning day. That's a payout guarantee. All right, man. So trading session is now done for the day. In totality, I ended the day up $108 simply because we did get the small win. Literally was looking for the win today to secure a payout on this account, but we did take a small L on this account. Now this account will basically be iced until Wednesday of next week as well, along with this account. So it's not really it wasn't a bad trading session or anything like that. Just we also was chopping on NQ, man. There wasn't really much you could really do with that. What I did tell myself coming into the session though was literally the open this entire week has given you the entry for a boomerang, being that the candle will break the body of the 925 candle, retrace back inside the body, and then once it breaks again, that is your entry. So it's like a micro break and retest almost is how I look at it when I think of the boomerang entry. Price did that to the T. We got tapped into the trade, and I was literally looking to just secure a winning day, but also realizing that once we got this entry, we was running into this level here, and I had a feeling that price would reject from this level because I was expecting price to push to the upside and be bullish in order to fill in some of the imbalance, and then also retested some of the levels we had previously broke through, and then we would end up selling off. We didn't really sell off. We really just been chopping around, but I'm glad I did trail because price did end up rejecting right after that, and it came right back down to where my entry would have been. So had I not taken profit, it would have been a break-even trade or a loss. And then I tried to take sales because I figured once we came back inside the body again, I was sure that we would short from there. And we didn't. We kind of did later during the 935 candle, but it was just too tight of a stop, I guess. And then I got in too early also on the other account, so ended up losing $40. It is what it is. I'm not really mad about that at all. And like I said, we secured a winning day. So on this account, I went 5. This is the wrong count. So on this account, we did go 5 straight this week. The only trading day this week that I said that I didn't like, honestly, was yesterday because I don't feel like I traded how I was supposed to. Outside of that, these other trading days, these were all really good trades. To me, this personally was a good trade. It was a good trading day as far as my execution and my plan coming into the session, and I executed how I was supposed to. So when I do those things, no matter the amount of money I make, I'm more so focused on the outcome and the process of what I did. I like that. So I'm not mad at this at all. I'm not mad at these trades. This day, I had just bought the account, and then I was kind of just taking a couple random trades. So that's why I had 4 trades that day. And then I just end up stopping or whatever once I was satisfied with just locking in a win. Um, so I don't really have any thoughts on this day, but these 3 trading days, being Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, were good trading days. And then yesterday really wasn't, but yeah. So that's really it for the trading session, man. So until next time, on a better living. We are back at the end of the trading day now. It is after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so now I can actually request a payout. I posted a live trading session. It'll probably be attached in the same video from this morning whenever I locked in the last one day that I needed to request a payout. On this account in particular, I did go 5 straight. So I started this kind of beginning of the week. So that's how I made a request this account or payout for this week. Earlier this week, I also requested another payout from a separate account. So in total for the week, I'm sitting at somewhere around like $1,100 or $1,200 for payouts for the week. So it's not bad. It's cool. Yeah, and this payout just gonna be for $838 after they take out the fees and stuff like that. It's gonna come out to like seven something, I think. But yeah, just want to go ahead and request that real quick, and then I'll probably block out the rest of the information because it's gonna have some other stuff on the next slide. Yep. So payout has been submitted. Yep, and just got the email. I'm not gonna lie, I was talking to my bro the other day, and I was talking about how like after a while, like once you requested so many payouts, you kind of like get used to it. I feel like you get used to getting a payout and whatnot, right? This is also the email. I don't know if you're gonna actually be able to see it or not from the camera, but just to show you that I did request it for proof, no LARPing. Um, Requesting a payout, I don't know, that part right there is like, to me, it's like you get used to it. But like anytime I see that congratulations, that second email that they always send from Top Step whenever your money actually about to be on its way that same day, that part will never get old in my opinion. I like getting money though. Don't get me wrong, right? So yeah. But that is another payout that has now been submitted. And just going over to this account again just to show you, they've already deducted a fund. So I'll start next week. I'll have $800 in the balance that I'll be trading this account with. Honestly, probably just gonna keep the same approach that I have that I had this whole week with this account, which was trading 5 micros for the most part. Some trades I did trade with 10, but I know the last like 2 or 3 trading days I definitely traded with 5 micros. So I'll probably keep that same approach, and then also I'll be activating another XFA that I have that I passed previously that I haven't activated. I'll be activating that probably Monday, and I'll be copy trading both accounts, or probably won't copy trade because these are the only 2 accounts that I actually be trading. Still got the other 2 accounts, but they're pretty much sitting waiting for CPI. So we'll see what happens with those accounts. But yeah, this is a good trading week overall. Stats for the week: 61%. 2.55 profit factor, and then average win to loss 344 to 216. So nothing crazy, but it's still positive in all categories. It's above 50%. It's above a 1, and then this is also above. It's not really. It's above a 1, but it's not. It's not at a 2. It should be at a 2 or more in my opinion. But it is what it is, right? So that's really it for it, man. So yeah, on a better living.